Is there a certain percentage of profit taking in your own trading? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I talk about this a lot in a few other classes, but it looks a little bit like this. 10, 10, 30, and then, so this, me, this, others, this, assets, and the rest, bills, taxes. And this would be whatever money you make on a given month from day trading, swing trading, whatever. So let's, Jack West, let's say I made $5,000 in a month. Okay. $500, I'd pay myself. I'd put into an account. This is my money. I'm buying shoes, whatever I want. I'm buying something for me. It could be books. It could be massages. It could be whatever. Now, again, keep in mind that this is what most traders do not do, so that we're clear. Most traders do not do this. Even if they make money, they never pull it out. Type in a 9 if that's you, by the way. I'm not going to judge you. I'm not going to call you out. But type in a 9 if you've traded for a while and you've never pulled money out. Sorry. Shouldn't do that. You should pull some money out. I promise. I'm not saying all of it. I'm just, it could be a small amount. But if you don't pull money out, your brain's going to be like, why are we working all this hard? Why are we doing all this again? Okay. So then, secret to living is giving. Then, assets. Okay, so 500 going to me, 500 is going to others, 1,500 is going to go into assets. And these assets can be literally a million different things. It can depend on what you think are assets. It can depend on your skill sets, your background, your knowledge base, who you know, friends and family, networks, connections. I could have a 9-hour class on just assets. This Z-bar is an asset. Good grief. It's like a Snickers bar. Can someone look up how many grams of sugar is in a Snickers bar? I'm curious to know, because I think it's as good. There's no way it's good for me. Thomas says, what size? Regular Snicker bar. 22 grams? At least I'm not eating a Snickers bar. Automatically feel a little bit better about myself. I mean, I'm going to have a second one, so I might as well be eating an entire one. Okay. So assets, and then, of course, the rest, is bills, taxes, however you want to structure it out. And that's it. Now, this $5,000 doesn't mean that this is your net gain. Maybe your net gain was $7K for the month, and you only pulled out $5K. By the way, team, do you guys think I followed this formula when it was $500? Yeah, absolutely. Why would I not? Why would I have a formula and not follow it? That'd be dumb. Yeah. It was $500. I pick out $50. Boom. I'm going to go to Buffalo Wild Wings. Nice. I'm going to go there. I'm going to get some wings. I'm going to get a beer or two. I'm going to tip the waitress. I'm going to feel good about myself. Give $50 away. Are there charities, donations who would appreciate $50? Of course. Long story short, this is a good formula for however much money you're pulling out.